Filters in Smartsheet allow you to customize the data displayed in your sheet by showing or hiding information based on selected criteria. You can use filters to quickly find what you need on your campaign roadmap sheet. In this case, you need to find all campaigns that have not been approved yet. To create, edit, or apply filters, sheet admins, editors, and viewers can select Filter from the menu to open the Filters drawer. In the Filters drawer, you can open the Saved Filters drop-down to apply or edit a saved filter, or you can select Add a Filter to create a new filter. You can also create a new filter directly from the Column Options menu. Since you want to find all unapproved tasks, hover your mouse on the column header for approvals, then open the Column Options menu. Select Filter. Since you want to only view unapproved campaigns, let's change the filter criteria. Select the As One Of drop-down menu. From here, select Is Not One Of. Then select Approved. Let's also leave out any blank rows since you usually leave the child rows for each campaign blank. Select Is Blank. Now with the filter applied, you have a few options. If this was only a one-time or quick need, you can select Clear All from the Filters drawer to remove the filters. You can also continue to add additional filters on top of the existing filter if you need to further analyze your data. Either use Add a Filter from the Filters drawer or the Column Options menu for the specific column. Or finally, since this is a filter you will need to reference frequently, let's save this filter. Select Save Filter. Let's name this filter Unapproved Campaigns. Here you can add additional criteria using conditional logic as needed. In this case, we don't need to add any further filter criteria. However, we do want to share this filter with other users on the sheet. Select Just Me. Select Shared. Now all other sheet users will be able to apply this filter from the Saved Filters dropdown. Select Save. Notice the filter icon in the column header indicating that the applied filter is using the data from this column. The filter stays applied even if you need to change the view you are working in. Let's switch to Timeline View. Open the Views switcher dropdown. Select Timeline. Let's further filter the data to quickly see which unapproved tasks have you assigned as the stakeholder. Select Add a Filter. From the Fields list, select Stakeholders. To find the campaigns assigned to you, you can find your name or select Current User. You can save this filter if you need, or since you only wanted to check quickly, you can remove the filter by selecting the X near your name. You can also edit saved filters at any time. Select Filter from the toolbar. Then open the Saved Filters dropdown. Hover your mouse over the existing filter. You can use the pencil icon to edit the filter criteria or the trash icon to delete the filter. So, are you ready to get started using filters? Check it out today or learn more in the Smartsheet Help Center. Thanks for watching.